Maya, okay, imagine you have the keys to a secret kingdom, right? But the catch is, the door only unlocks for exactly 6 hours. Not 6 hours a day or 6 hours a week. 6 hours out of the entire year.
Wait, what? That sounds like the plot of a fantasy novel. Is this a real place, or are we talking about a bridge to Brigadoon?
I am 100% serious. It's real. It's in Scotland, in Dumfriesshire. It's called the Garden of Cosmic Speculation. And honestly, the name doesn't even do it justice. It's 30 acres of, well, it's basically like if a physicist and a landscape architect decided to hallucinate together.
The Garden of Cosmic Speculation. That is a mouthful. So if it's only open for 6 hours a year, how do people even get in? It must be a mad dash.
Oh, it totally is. They only let in about 1,500 ticket holders through the Scotland's Garden scheme. It's private property, this place called Portrack House. It was built by Charles Jenks and his wife, Maggie Keswick Jenks. And Maya, it isn't a garden full of like roses and petunias. It's a garden of ideas.
Ideas? Okay, help me out here. Give me a visual. Are we talking about statues of philosophers?
No. Think bigger. Think cosmic. Instead of flower beds, you have massive earthworks that look like waves of green DNA spiraling out of the ground. They're these huge, perfectly symmetrical mounds that represent the 5 stages of the universe's evolution. It's like the universe folded itself into a piece of origami in the middle of the Scottish countryside.
Wow, so it's less English tea garden and more interstellar park?
Exactly. He uses math and science as the literal blueprint. There are sculptures based on black holes, fractals, the Big Bang. He even has a sculpture called the Willow Twist, which is this incredible swirling aluminum structure. It's like he took the laws of physics, which are usually just numbers on a chalkboard, right? And he turned them into something you can actually touch and walk around.
Wait, really? You can actually walk on a physical representation of a black hole?
Yes. Well, a representation of one. It's this area where the landscape just warps. It's all about these elegant curves and artificial symmetry. It's meant to make you think about where we come from and the sheer scale of everything. It's basically a playground for your brain.
Softly, that sounds actually really peaceful in a strange way. Like instead of feeling small because the universe is huge, you feel connected to it because you're standing in a garden that explains it.
Precisely. That's the Leo vibe. And the coolest part is the why behind it. Charles and Maggie didn't just do this because they were bored. Maggie was actually the founder of Maggie Centers. You know those amazing cancer care places?
Oh, I've heard of those. They're famous for their architecture, aren't they? They're supposed to be really healing spaces.
Yes. And the money from those 6 hours of public access every year goes directly to those centers. So this garden, which is all about the birth of the universe and the complexity of life, is literally helping people navigate the hardest parts of their own lives. It's this beautiful, full circle thing.
That is so lovely. It's like the garden is a living memorial to her vision. I love that it's not just look at my cool math garden, but it has this heartbeat of service behind it.
Totally. And it's reached everywhere. There's even a symphony written about it. This composer, Michael Gandolfi, wrote a whole orchestral piece inspired by the garden. It was nominated for a Grammy. And it's been in mystery novels too. It's one of those places that it sticks in people's imaginations.
I can see why. It sounds like a place where time kind of stands still. Or I guess since it's about cosmology, maybe time just behaves differently there. Right?
It's like a temporal bubble in Scotland.
You know, talking about these kinds of places always makes me feel like there's so much more to explore than we realize. If you're enjoying wandering through these gardens of the mind with us, maybe you should join the loop. Come back tomorrow and get your daily curiosity fix. We've always got a seat on the porch for you.
Seriously though, Maya, if we ever go to Scotland, we are timing it for those 6 hours. I need to see the universe cascade. It's this giant set of stairs that represents the story of the universe.
I'm in, as long as I don't have to do any actual math to get through the gate.
No math required, just a sense of wonder.
I think I can manage that. This was fascinating, Leo. It's nice to remember that people can take something as abstract as a fractal and turn it into something beautiful you can walk through.
That's the magic of it. Anyway, I'm gonna go look at pictures of those DNA mounts again. They're mesmerizing.
Go for it. See you again, everyone. Stay curious.
Bye.